If you have an olive undertone, green pigment is your best friend. Watch. Very orangey foundation. And even though blue is on the opposite side of the color wheel, preferring mixing green because it almost helps it pull a little bit yellow. This is where we started. And this is where it's at now. The moment I mix a little bit of green pigment, it's like the perfect match to my neck. I think the biggest misconception that most people are just olive, but really you're neutral olive, cool olive, warm olive. The moment you have the presence of green in your skin, automatically makes your skin a little bit more desaturated. Super bright blushes like this one from Rare Beauty tends to make the rest of your face look gray. Because green and red are on the opposite sides of the color wheel, you desaturate a really bright blush. Now, this pulls it a little bit more towards brown. This shade is just gonna complement my skin tone so much better. Also why color correctors that are a little bit more pinky compared to just orangey work better if you have olive skin tones. The pinkiness can kind of counteract the green in the undertone of hyperpigmentation. Having a red lipstick that pulls a little bit muted, a little bit brown goes a long way. Way more cohesive with my skin tone. See how all the tones are just so synchronous. If you don't know what your undertone is, I will have a YouTube video in depth explaining how to find your undertone in my bio sometime like this week. I hope you find this helpful and let me know what you think.